At first, I was thinking it is AI, but this one not be AI. This one is
I mean, is it?
I just said this guy
Oh, for the brand, is it?
40 or I don't know. What are we going to call this? Talent I don't know. Or gifted. Is it talented or is gifted? Or he has the strongest teeth in the world. I don't know.
Aya.